I should never say you're my everything. Oh, Burundi, Nipura, you're my everything. Way up the dollars, we love, never lost it. Open them my God, fasting. Open, yeah, nobody got check. Need that wine in the thirsty. Now where the dollars, everyone waiting. Yeah. Obande takaputi bantam, nanaka nikatunda karinga random. After this girl takureka dance, somebody hallelujah. Yeah, obande takaputi bantam, nanaka nikatunda karinga random. After this girl takureka dance, somebody say hallelujah. Oh gosh, inaye
Zinamu, Zanamu, everybody say my girl, hey hey. Oh gosh, inayo and zinamu, yo zanamu.
Alright. TV West na ina Michael tumashire mwishi kwa mami nko kuna nikugambira nti Megaton will be in the building. He's right here in the house.
Yeah man.
Alright. Oh my beautiful. Oh mushinja abinjira mu manyira cyeshongore cyo kunka tutakagire hari. Omucyeshongore cyo mukakitera ryari cyo orahi.
It was 2015.
Yeah. Now, rubarahi mugamba ngunobora harabe harahare katwizire kurebe mbaga 2021 injirete niyeje rubarahi mu abene mugamba ninga akuba muntu nomanya norote cyo kuba notekateka now
Rubare kanga yawa rubare.
Welcome to the show. Megaton is here kanda ina keshongoro kasia akakwenda kuboreka kugita habindi ebyabira binire so akeshongoro kanjurira bataka babase kamanya in that tuenjero mu program.
Okay, omulebe wa TV West nyone banyeta Megaton Field Marshal.
Right.
Kandi ejesha hatiza premiering ekeshongoro tsia keshongoro mbacheta mu bwine chikatera Alpha then chamastarinjwa Honest Beats. Then chakwatwa Trip Visuals.
Now utaka jiromba chikwaseri nabachigize batato murebe wa TV wese cyari kwendesha heji kanimpura hari munka gospel kando mubwine njirento ojunurwe ninga
ekishongo chikuza premiering ati cha gospel
konka nimpura version zezirumu ne hari munke
oyo no gambe chicharuga kutira ati cyo
okay
chitintu za premiering ati bakachitire cyo tikiri
munange ya gospel now tugendo muri yecho ojunurwe ninga uriyo no jiroti no tugarra line
Tipendo tena twetagaro hanga wachenga
kanga wow. Now let's introduce a new song then tugambe content eri mu cyeshongore kisiya kugira ngo araze kucireba abe namanye cyari kuza kureba
ekeshongore eki nyona nkora music yanje nimba in messaging kuba ninjezo kupassinga to my fans ekeshongoro necheshongoro cyabakundine kandi nchizezo munonga ku emphasizing being faithful to each other tinkunda bintu byo kushanga abantu mbazo kunoko so emphasizing to be faithful to each other.
So is it a true story? Akuba hatu mutandikire hiti ijo Jovana kaza kweshongore cyeshongoro yakosamo mukazuwe now hatiwe njire ngo mubine ninga.
Seriously the truth is wanje mwine konga kandi
anyway
I am teaching and I'm emphasizing, I'm passing a message to people.
So owawe ebyatende na bugingo tubiriyo
empetatinka jifunire but
anyway producer let's go to the new hits then
actually tumachire excuse me ani nyendangu bakolo ne Megaton YouTube
we shall go there let's first listen
the
to
song
the new
is
song.
on you can watch it
run it
everybody say Megaton Field Marshal everybody say Alpha Music, Bruna, we dead. Megaton Field Marshal, we run this. On this one, this a love connect. Munde chenye kumiro gomana. Yo, imutami sabande. O anje muwine. Munde chenye kumiro gomana. Imutami sabande. O anje muwine. mubwine ya rukundo tirwari kusiko munagane biki no kuratire cyo kwetengo kaika buhanguzi bwacho obwire bunamazire n'indonda omurunjo shemerire n'impiga mukamatara najibire nangwa akampika hi.
Alright. Akeshongoro ni karungi mnonga nubakita
Wine.
Yeah, it's a brand new from Megaton Field Marshal. Now mubwine yayigita bindi bingahi.
Byeshongo nyine byinji
bingahi
kanshanje hati chini
ebyakozwe video
ninka ashatuna.
Now hata yakwasa kuba nabyenda birundiri.
Byeshongo byanje biri ya YouTube yanje genda channel ya Megaton Field Marshal official uza kufuna music yanje yona koko
na basa kujibona konka ya sindika message ya TV West ashabekiha. Yes.
Shabecho songo chone choro kwenda kurugwa Megaton, but this is the new song, so you have to enjoy the new vibe. Iceman, this is a big tune, brother. Big up on yourself.
So abantu babiri bashatu abakwatsireho mu industry because ni manyo bwirobu ba COVID bitangwi na ukwihaye echeshongoro kisya ukachitera aha.
Echo kwanza chabiona ni Sima Vision Group.
Yes.
It is mbwenu ekozire munonga omukutungu renta yanje Vision Group and the management sabantu abamberiro nabeshongozi batahi banje bariyo kwenimba mabariyo mbareba MC Mokshedea. Anyway, mwe bari munonga
wagamba Mokshe washika
no
nakubuza umba ekakomashi. Anyway, let's go to that hit then nzagaruka no mweshongozo ndijo elizo banko kuba Friday twantwe take on mood ya weekend kugira ngo you enjoy. Field Marshal
Megaton Field Marshal
roll it. Oh. Why?
Live from the 1 and 2s. It's Iceman DJ. Megaton Field Marshal, we run this. On this one.